Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I'm back talking about logarithmic differentiation once again. So here's another example. Let's say you wanted to differentiate maybe y to the x 3x. Now again, that's that special type of function. It's not a power function. It's not an exponential function. We're going to take the logarithm of both sides so that we can change it into something that we can actually take the derivative of. This allows us to change it into a product, which we can then take the derivative of both sides. The derivative of both sides is going to be the derivative of the first plus the derivative of the second. So it's going to be 1 over y primed equals 3 ln x plus 1 over x 3x. So it's going to give you y prime equals y times 3 ln x plus 3. So if we wanted to make it nice, we can change the y back to x, 3 to the x. I can bring the 3 out. So 3x to the 3x ln x plus 1 is your final answer. So there you go. Let's take a look at another example real quick. Let's say I was to give you something like differentiate x plus 1 over x plus 2. Now let's remember that we know how to do this. We could this is simply a quotient rule, but let's say I wanted to do it by taking logarithmic differentiation. That would then become differentiate both sides. Okay, getting your common denominator, it's going to look like this. Y prime is going to equal y times x plus 2 minus x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 1. What is y equal to? It's equal to x plus 1 over x plus 2. This is going to be x, take away x, 2 over, take away 1. And we're going to be left with 1 over x plus 2 squared. And just getting another question. Let's make sure that that works out. So that's what we came up with using logarithmic. Let's see if it would work out if we were going to do it using our old method. So again, the question would be, let's try our old method, and that would be simply the quotient rule. So the quotient rule would be derivative of the top, which is 1, times the bottom. Subtract the derivative of the bottom, which is 1, times the top, all over the bottom squared. You get x plus 2 minus x minus 1, x plus 2 squared. You get 1 over x plus 2 squared, which is what we had when we reduced this out. The x plus 2 times the x plus 2 gave us x plus 2 squared. And again, done in a completely different way using logs. There you go.